All right, so in this video, we're gonna show you guys how we do the new leaf springs and frame connectors on Jimmy's 66 Mustang here. This is a little hack right here. You don't need to put those little stands underneath her. Just take a ratchet strap, hook it into the top of your shock, wrap it around the rear, and this will hold that rear up while you change out that spring. There you go. That'll hold the rear up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove all these bolts here, these 4 bolts, take this bottom shock bolt off, and then we're gonna remove this spring. So give us a second here and we'll get you on the quick time lapse on this one. Those bolts up here on the spring are 3/4. These are 3/4 bolts. The bolts back here on the rear shackle are 9/16. And do yourself a favor, once you get the shackle removed out of the frame here, spray some PB blaster up inside that frame, because those rubbers, a lot of times they'll just stick in there and they won't come out. So what you gotta do is spray some oil onto these rubbers inside the rails, because they kind of weld themselves in there from being in there for so long. And it'll loosen them up and they'll pop right out. These are 11/16 here, I believe, Jimmy. Yeah, these are 11/16 underneath the shock plate. All right. Let me go get some gloves on for this job. (9/16) and 9/16. You got 2 9/16 nuts up there. One down palm, one to top. So let me get a 9/16. Look at Jimmy acting like a Mustang tech. Yeah, he's got, look at that stare in his eye. I'm gonna conquer you, you old rusty pig. Look at that look.
Stay there.
Look, he even talks to the car parts now. He's a true Mustang tech. Stay there.
It's off.
His shirt come in yet? They put the damn shackle in backwards on that side. Oh, man, that makes it hard to get to them bolts. Yeah, it's supposed to go the other way. Man, look at this crap. Yeah, I got in there with that, but I can't get in there today. These things are tight. Fucking tight. Get in there. Look who's there. Get him. We got a job interview today. Clean pants and new shirt. One turn at a time.
Yeah, it's turning down.
Yeah, this damn exhaust's in the way.
That was an evil noise, Jimmy. Getting any looser?
About the same.
Let me throw a little love lotion on there.
See, you know what we're putting up with here on your car. So when you get that bill,
I see something spinning up here.
The bolt is spinning, but it ain't coming back.
Yeah.
stuck in that.
Because it ain't leaving the frame here. Tight, cold cut, heated.
All right, we're gonna have to break out a noisemaker. I have a blade that's too long here.
Benji,
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to fall on my
why don't
head.
you let me get this shackle loose before you do that?
You knock your socks off.
I could use a steak and cheese sub.
Jimmy, if I'm going to keep working on your cars, you're going to have to start buying better cars.
It is a Ford. If you're gonna own a Ford, you definitely need a good, strong pair now. Oh! That was uncalled for.
Tyler tried to get underneath my car yesterday and film on her. He's like, damn, this thing's low.
Then you put a couple years on you and you start working on the midsection. Gets even
Is that
tighter.
what you call that?
Midsection.
Is that what you call that?
Yes.
Midsection?
Midsection.
All right,
That's
we'll
a.
go with that.
This is a
That's
full section.
that's the midsection. It's
Full
just
section.
extended. Wow, look at there.
No. Small, medium, large.
Oh, that's
Small. I like that. That's funny. Got the blowout patch all cut for the floor.
All right, I got it. You guys go ahead and finish cutting and I'll hold on to the spring.
This is the way you save money. Cut the blade, cut the bad part, brand new blade.
There you go. Just like new again.
Just like new.
Toe tip. That's right. Toe tip.
Tip. toe tilt.
I think you're cutting into the bushing stick.
Man, I don't want them cutting up.
Your blade's not straight. You need to keep it straight because you're cutting into that sleeve that's protruding out of the
I
rubber.
really don't care what I'm cutting, as long as I'm
You
cutting.
gotta keep it flat against the frame.
Switch. Goodness gracious. Henry Ford, poster child for birth control. And that's just where our ass is out. And then when
then
he
he
gets
gets
it,
out-
then he goes and gets the good blade.
The good blade.
That's how Hollywood does it, right? You guys are the stuntmen.
That ain't right.
Star gets
That's not good. Jump.
What'd you have to do to get that
Brute force. Things really get stuck in there pretty good. And you don't have much room to work in here.
Yeah, I had this nightmare. So this is a joy compared to this frickin' nightmare.
I really appreciate that. You don't know how much.
We have replaced
No.
every flipping part known to man.
Hey,
on
dumbass.
This
How many parts have we replaced on this one so far?
2 quarter panels, 2 doors.
2 drop-offs, 2 doors, 2 springs, 2 frame connectors.
This is the
two
only
roof panels.
piece of the car that we haven't replaced. And we cut it off for Christ's sake.
Hey, that's some assembly required, buddy.
Oh my
It's-
God. Some assembly
It has.
required.
It was written right on there. Some assembly required. You need to get over
Every
that.
thing on this we done replaced.
Look,
Can we get this spring on? I gotta drive this car home tonight.
no, he is all stressed out.
No.
We used to be so mellow until
Because
this car showed up.
This
Now
is
look.
much better.
Have you ever tried to weld the butter? I had to
Yes, I have.
I had to weld that patch. I had to put a patch in this frame or it was rusted, which you all saw. You ever try to weld the rust? Well, it's in there. It's
One
welded.
little rust hole this car had.
One little stick of butter needed
One
welded
little
too.
rust hole.
So here we are. We're going to put the new leaf springs in that Jimmy got, and he's got his frame rail sitting in place. So we're going to go and show you how this all goes
yeah.
together.
All right, we're ready for this car.
Hold him right
And
there.
let's make a
Skidder.
note here. Let's put the head bang counter on Jimmy's head today. How many times you hit that head today, Jimmy?
He's
Three.
busted. He's
Three.
busted that noggin several times today.
Good, actually.
So, these frame rails are bolt on, but they're bolt on or welded. So we're going to bolt and weld these on. So what we're going to do is clean all this up. We're going to drill it, bolt it. As you saw what I did with the D-scaler, I was knocking off all the undercoating. Easy way to get the undercoating off. The bolt for the spring right here goes through the frame rail as well. So this will be, it'll be just like that when it's on. Now prior to us putting this car on the lift, we leveled this lift. So it's level side to side and front and back. So what we'll probably do is just get it bolted in temporarily until we get it on the suspension, and then we'll weld it all up. Then take the bolts out and weld the hole shut.
Brand new, Ben.
Okay. Give me a tap. Oh. That was too easy.
The spring bolt goes through the frame connector
That
hole
doesn't-
at the same time over here. They use the same hole.
That was way too easy.
All right, so now what we're going to do is put that nut in there, then we're going to mark.
Nuts on it.
And I need to grind the front of that frame rail, don't I? We got to grind the ear on that frame rail so it sits up in there tighter.
Floor. And right here is where you want it to be tight.
So you can put a nice weld in there.
Put a weld in there.
What I want to do, I want to try to pull that floor down before we put that up in there. I'm going to weld some studs to that and see if I can pull that down. Because that pocket is hitting perfectly where this needs to be welded. And I don't want to fill all that in with weld. That look like crap.
You never see it.
So let me put my stinger on there and see if we can get this down. So just put this off to the side
All
for
the way
now.
all the way.
We still got to grind that down.
Let me grind this to bare metal so I can get a stinger on it.
Oh, she's up in there. Again?
Trigger for this damn thing.
Oh, and just unplug it when you're done? And first one,
we just got to get it cleaner. We got to release that tension on the side. Yeah, it's blown out right here. We got to knock that in.
From the heat?
here.
No, from the jackass that put the damn floor jack under it. No, see how this is bulged out?
I did not see that.
You want me to put some house caulk in there for you?
It'd be all right.
Got some DAP? Trying to make this thing nice for you, Jimmy. Do you think I want to drive that car?
She told you with the last one she didn't want it anyway.
Oh, that one came down. It's getting a lot better. I say
We'll
couple.
get another bite on.
couple
Yeah,
more.
I'd say hit that one moves everything.
Bud, that might be as good as you're going to get. Or you can try another. And
Do it right.
You'll never
Why do you always want to half-ass shit?
You'll never see it because it'll be under that.
You can fix that. You should fix it. Oh, that jizz is up there.
What was it?
I'm glad,
Undercoat.
I'm glad this only took 2 weeks.
This is our second week of trying to get this rocket up here. We finally got it to Chris's specification.
No, that's
Week number
not
2.
mine.
The bloated toads do stuff right.
Right there it's hitting. Okay, I can take a little more off this side. Take a little off up there. See how it's hitting up here?
I do.
It looks like you got to hold that up to.
Get my floor jack and get the
Where's the board?
board, and we're gonna put that jack against her, push that tight up against that frame rail. You guys gotta have a little confidence here.
I'm getting out of here.
You guys ever watch MacGyver growing
Yeah,
up in the 80s?
That's a broom handle.
Yeah, we don't need much pressure. Jimmy, you're getting worked up again. Your blood pressure's boiling. You're losing hair.
Been losing hair.
This car was not a wise investment on your part.
Oh, say his health is deteriorating because of the car?
Yeah, the car is. Look at that. All right, Jimmy, you want to take them words back now?
I'm getting there. I've seen that thing bow.
Yeah, you're okay.
Careful, it'll snap and take your testiculars off.
Your testiculars?
Testiculars. Take them right off. Just like that.
You got,
Going.
you got to live on the edge when you're over here at Bloated Toad Garage. You just can't just come in here and be an old pansy all the time.
I mean, you come in here and all of a sudden you're right at the top of the list.
Yeah, you think?
Who do you think you are? Just because you got a car, you're the first one on the line?
Oh, Jimmy, the damn exhaust.
Oh, it's
got
that
me.
damn exhaust again. Right there it is, Jimmy. I can see it from here. Right there in that bag.
I got to rig up something to drill a hole in that frame connector because whoever did the exhaust has the exhaust a little low and I can't get in there. So we'll see if this works. It may not work. It's my die grinder with a drill bit in it.
It'll work. It'll be fine, pal. Let's go ahead and use that. Ah, it's like welding butter.
There you go, tech tip. Toe tip. Can't keep giving you guys all my secrets. You're gonna have to subscribe if you want to see more of this.
You want to see more?
See, Jimmy don't appreciate all of this stuff.
I appreciate everything.
I don't think he does.
I appreciate it all.
This is what we need for that. This is a file, a rotary file. So we're gonna put that in there and we're gonna hog that hole out, get that bolt through. All right, got the bolt?
Yep.
Nope.
Who's got the bolt?
I don't.
As soon as I start this
In your
thing on-
pocket.
Yeah.
Goes this way, Jimmy. Is the hole big enough?
It is.
So what we'll do is we're only gonna put one bolt to hold the rail in place until we get the car down leveled on the suspension, then we'll weld this up. You guys got the hang of it. I don't need to show you all how we weld it up. Basically, we're gonna weld it down the sides, both sides, and we'll come across the bottom. We'll do the same back here where it bolts to the leaf spring. So what we're gonna do is we'll weld it down the back side of here, down this edge here, and across here. Like I said, these are CJ's pony parts. These rails come from them. They fit pretty good on these cars. I don't know who makes them, but that's where they come from. Kind of impressed. There you have it. Jimmy got new leaf springs. He got frame connectors. Now I can get back to sanding this body work and hopefully get some primer on this thing tonight. So there it is. Like and subscribe.